Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive to create a lyric slideshow with linked sound files. This is useful to any music teacher who wants to create a slideshow with the lyrics to songs that has the sound files linked right to the slide page. First, I'm going to go in my Chrome browser to the grid. I'm going to click on Drive, and I'm going to click New. As I scroll down, I come to Google Slides. In my slides, I'm going to make it blank by deleting the boxes that are here for me already. I'm going to change my background color. My slideshow is for a holiday concert. I want my students to be able to see the words and also to have the sound files close by. Once I've done this, I'm going to insert a text box. I'm going to enter in the title of my song collection. I'm highlighting this so that I can put a link to my sound file. I right-click, scroll down to Link, and it gives me a few options here. I can easily scroll down here to find more. And over here on the right, it pulls up some options. Because my sound folder is saved in Drive, I'm going to click Drive. Right here on the right pulls up the exact song that I'm looking for. I double click, and it pulls up my sound file. I'm going to copy the link and paste it here. Click Apply, and the link shows up here. When I click it, it will open up my sound file. Back to my presentation, which I can title here. I'm going to quickly show you a couple more things that you can easily do. First, I'm going to change my font color. Let's change the style. Let's change the size. Let's change the color. After that, I'm going to insert some clip art. I could insert another text box with my lyrics, but I'm not going to do that today. I am going to go to Image, scroll over, and I have several options here. The one I want that is easy is to search the web. It's going to pull a sidebar up with a search bar. I am simply going to browse, select, and drag. I'm going to go ahead and copy, paste, resize, and decorate my slide. To show you how it works, I'm going to click on View, Present, and this is the first page of my slideshow. When I come to the title, which I linked, I'm going to click on it. it will take me to my sound file. I can push play, and I can go back to my sing-along and have my words right here while my sound file is playing. I wanted to use this because as a traveling music teacher, I have to have all of my materials wherever I go. I have access to this at home so that I can work on it from home. It is anywhere that I have the internet and a browser. My audience for this is music teachers, but any teacher who wanted to have access to something like this could do this. First, you have to create a folder in your drive of songs. Then you can link those songs to your slide, and they will play. The ISTE standards that I have used are C.3.B and C.5.A. Thanks for watching.